Are you tired of playing the same old guitar? Do you yearn for a unique sound that sets you apart from other musicians? It's time to break free from the ordinary and explore a world of possibilities with Resonator, 12-string, and Baritone guitars. These instruments offer a distinctive tone and character that will elevate your music to new heights. In this article, we will delve into why these guitars are worth exploring, how they can enhance your musical journey, and when is the perfect time to dive in. Resonator guitars. Unleash your inner bluesman. If you're captivated by the soulful sounds of blues legends like Robert Johnson or Son House, then a Resonator guitar is your key to unlocking that vintage blues vibe. The Resonator guitar features a metal cone or cones instead of a traditional wooden soundboard. This design creates a distinct twangy tone that cuts through any mix. Why should you consider adding a Resonator guitar to your collection? First and foremost, it allows you to explore an entirely different sonic palette compared to conventional acoustic or electric guitars. The metallic resonance adds depth and richness to slide playing techniques while delivering an unmistakable vintage charm. Moreover, if you're looking for versatility in terms of genres beyond just blues, fear not. Resonators can be used in various styles ranging from folk and country all the way up to rockabilly or even jazz fusion. How can one get started with this extraordinary instrument? Begin by researching reputable brands such as National Resophonic or Dobra, who have been crafting quality resonators for decades. Experiment with different slide materials like glass or brass until you find your preferred sound. Embrace open tunings like Open D, DAD F sharp AD, or Open G, DGD GBD, to fully explore the resonator's potential. 12-string guitars, a harmonic symphony at your fingertips. Imagine the ethereal sound of a 12-string guitar filling the air, instantly transporting you to another realm. This instrument is a true game-changer for those seeking a fuller and richer tonal experience. With twice as many strings as a standard guitar, a 12-string offers an enchanting chorus-like effect that captivates listeners. Why should you consider adding this unique instrument to your arsenal? The primary benefit lies in its ability to create lush harmonies and add depth to your compositions. Whether you're strumming chords or fingerpicking intricate melodies, the doubled strings produce an incredibly rich sound that can elevate any song. Additionally, if you're looking for inspiration or new creative avenues, playing a 12-string guitar can spark fresh ideas due to its distinctive timbre. Many iconic musicians like Jimmy Page of Led Zeppelin or Roger McGuinn of the Byrds have used this instrument extensively in their music, testament to its versatility across genres such as folk, rock, and even progressive metal. How can one embark on their journey with a 12-string guitar? Start by exploring reputable brands like Taylor or Martin, known for crafting high-quality instruments with excellent intonation and resonance. Take time to adjust your playing technique since it requires more precision due to the increased number of strings. Embrace alternate tunings like DADGAD, DADGAD, or open tunings such as Open D, DADF-AD, which further enhance the harmonic possibilities offered by this extraordinary instrument. Baritone guitars. Dive into deep sonic territories. If you find yourself constantly craving lower notes and darker tones that traditional guitars cannot deliver, then it's time to explore the world of baritone guitars. These instruments have a longer scale length and are tuned lower than standard guitars, allowing you to dive into deep sonic territories. Why should you consider adding a baritone guitar to your collection? The primary advantage lies in its ability to create a unique atmosphere with its deep, resonant tones. Whether you're playing jazz, metal, or even ambient music, the baritone guitar can add an extra layer of richness and complexity that sets your sound apart from the crowd. Moreover, if you often find yourself struggling with vocal ranges or want to accompany singers who perform in lower registers, the baritone guitar is an excellent choice. It provides a perfect balance between low-end power and playability while maintaining familiarity for guitarists. How can one venture into the realm of baritone guitars? Begin by exploring renowned brands like PRS or Fender, who offer high-quality instruments tailored for different styles. Experiment with various string gauges and tunings such as B standard, BEAD F sharp B, or drop A, AEAD F sharp B, until you find your desired sound. Embrace extended chord voicings and explore new fingerpicking patterns that take full advantage of this instrument's unique tonality. Conclusion. In conclusion, breaking free from the ordinary is essential for any musician seeking growth and individuality in their craft. Resonator guitars open up a world of vintage blues charm. 12-string guitars provide harmonic symphonies at your fingertips, while baritone guitars allow exploration of deep sonic territories previously uncharted. By embracing these extraordinary instruments, not only will you expand your musical horizons but also captivate audiences with distinctive sounds that set you apart from others. So why wait? Explore resonators for soulful blues vibes. Delve into lush harmonies with 12 strings, and venture into deep sonic realms through baritones. It's time to embark on a musical journey like no other.